We continue as we next check the clearance between the counter-disc bore and the throttling bush. The clearance must be within specified limits. To check the neck bush, first carefully remove it from the suction housing with a suitable flat-faced drift. Measure the clearance between the neck bush and the threaded sleeve, and this clearance must be within specified limits. Next, we should dismantle the stage assemblies. Slip out the diffuser. Loosen and remove the 4 screws holding the overflow piece. The small wear ring can also be loosened at this point. Remove the overflow piece and then remove the 4 screws holding the large wear ring. For inspection purposes, use a soft punch and drift out both the large and the small wear ring. It is usual to renew wear rings on an overhaul. However, whether new or used, impeller clearances must be checked. Again, we emphasize that clearances must be within the specified limits for both large and small wear rings. Visually inspect all components for damage or wear. This overflow piece and this diffuser will definitely not be refitted. In essence, we urge that you make careful inspection of all components, and when in doubt, don't refit any part until it has been checked by a supervisor or a serviceable replacement has been obtained. It is a sad fact that many pumps are only pulled down when something goes wrong, and by that time, virtually every part has received a thorough dose of punishment. Pumps with components in such bad condition as these are fit only as scrap metal. Many pump components can be refabricated or machined, but that's another story outside the scope of this program. We urge you now to proceed with task number 3 in your workbook and then continue with video number 4.